Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your identity on ID.me for unemployment. So first, you may want to head over to your ID.me app. Start by logging into your account. But if you don't have an existing account, you can easily sign up for one. All you have to do is enter in your email, add the password, then of course confirm your password. Also make sure that you check the I agree for terms of service. And once done, just head over and click on the sign up button. Then next you will be prompted to secure your account. You're going to need to choose from the following MFA or multi-factor authentication methods. Just choose one, then follow the on-screen prompts to set up your MFA. Then next, you will be prompted to take a photo of your valid ID, whether it's driver's license, state ID, or passport, to verify your identity. You will then be asked to take a video selfie. Just make sure that you follow the steps below, then just proceed by clicking on the continue button. To confirm your identity, you will be asked to enter your social security number. Just enter it, then once done, proceed by clicking on continue. And lastly, make sure that you read the consent form or notice and consent. And once done, make sure that you check the box beside I acknowledge that I have received, read, and agreed to these terms. And once everything is done, just click on the continue button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!